Video I'm showing you how you can share your profile on a Snapchat. So firstly, what you need to do to share your profile on a Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner, and when you are here you have to tap on the arrow pointing to the top. You can see in the top right corner this arrow pointing to the top. Tap on this arrow, and here you can see the send to your profile picture. You can see your profile picture with your avatar. And how you can share your profile picture, you can see in the most bottom all the app icon. You can also tap on the more, and you can see all the app icons. You can share it to anything that you want, anywhere that you want. You can set as profile picture, you can send it to the Instagram, you can send it to the chats, you can tweet it, you can send it to the Telegram. So you can do whatever you want to do. Let's say I want to send it to Twitter. Simply tap on the Twitter, and you can click on the tweet button, and after that it will open in your Twitter app, and then you can write something here and then tap on the tweet button in the top right corner. So that's it, at how you can share your profile on the Snapchat. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.